Hey guys, just gonna do some burps. Go to my regular spot. Oh, my child's coming out of my mouth. Never watch my videos before you're about to eat a meal. That's what I said. Ballistic pen. Yeah, I'm making this right after the ballistic pen video. I don't really care about this pen. I shot it right at the screen and lost the cap. Oh well, who cares? It's a burping video. All that matters is that I have the spring. I have spare caps. Never watch my videos before I eat. If you guys think I should do prank call videos, like, you know, get my phone or my iPod and call off of it while I record, and then afterwards edit it so that, what am I gonna say? Edit it so that, what am I doing? Edit it so that it's just a black screen. Every time someone says something, it has like words or like a funny picture or whatever related to what it says, or something like that, you know, just prank call videos or whatever. See, either like, yeah, just comment on this or inbox me if I should. Ow. Last day of school, one of my friends comes up to me, "Hey, want a joint?" I'm like, what the fuck? Why am I saying friend? Old friend. It really pissed me off though, because like, druggies are real queers, you know? And he was one of my good friends too. I'll say random phrases while I burp, like my daddy pees out juice, or my mommy, or no, sorry, my daddy poops out gas and my mommy pees out juice. That's it. What's wrong with me? Yeah, make a video request. If it's reasonable, I'll try to get it done. The line, by this I mean I'll do it. This is like the max thing I'll do is go into public in like the grocery store and go, "I have Tourette's," and then run around and just scream random shit and knock down shelves. Like that's the most I'll do. I just caught the mosquito that was on my leg. Focus, 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 focus. Son of a bitch. That scared me.
Sir, my daddy moves out gas.
Holy shit, he saw me. I have a coffee time, or like not a coffee time, like the coffee shack next to my house, because they moved there. I'm on a bit of a busy street, and I just said, I don't know what I said, but you guys heard, I'll remember it later when I watch. But then he looks over and sees me. I'm afraid to sit up there now. I'll do it down here. I got a suggestion from one of you guys. I know it starts with a B, like a bridge, don't it, or something, you know? To go burp in front of random people in public or family members. I'll do that. Try to bring my iPod to my grandma's house or my niece's house. Or just go up to my dad. Hello, Dad. What the fuck is on my neck? Oh, there it is.